In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block Hubspot email tracking. If you're seeking to enhance your privacy or simply control how your emails are being tracked, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through this process in just a few minutes, so let's get started. First, let's log into your Hubspot account. Ensure you're accessing the correct Hubspot portal. Once you're in, you'll want to look for the settings icon. It typically appears as a gear and is usually located in the top right corner of your dashboard. Clicking this will take you to the settings area where you can manage your account preferences, including email tracking options. Now direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll see various options. Navigate to the section labeled Objects and click on it. This will expand a list of different activities, and from there you'll want to select Activities. This section is where you can manage what gets tracked and logged in your Hubspot account. Now that you've entered the Activities section, the next step is to access the Email, Log and Track tab. This area allows you to monitor, adjust and control the specifics of how your emails are logged and tracked. Click on this tab to proceed. The crucial part of our process is to disable email tracking. This setting determines whether or not your emails are being tracked after you send them. Within this tab, you'll notice several checkboxes related to email tracking preferences. Look for the box labelled Allow all users to track emails and see when recipients open and click on their emails. By unchecking this box, you effectively disable email tracking for all users within your account. This means that after this change, users will not be able to see when recipients have opened or interacted with their emails. Additionally, if you'd like to take another step towards securing your email data, consider unchecking the box labelled Allow all users to log email attachments. This option disables the tracking of any email attachments you send through Hubspot. While tracking attachments can be useful in certain scenarios for sales or marketing teams, disabling it provides an added layer of email privacy if that's a priority for you. And there you have it, you've successfully blocked email tracking within your Hubspot account. By taking these steps, you've gained more control over your email privacy and the information others can access about your email interactions. Thanks for joining me in this quick tutorial. Remember to check back for more useful tips and tricks to enhance your online experience.